What is up? And welcome to another banger. I'm talking about a banger on the Air on the Move YouTube channel. Y'all seen the title, y'all seen the thumbnail. This is a good one. We got some good stuff to put on today. We putting this bad boy on Spider Graphix. Made our own little custom set. Even got the freaking YouTube channel on it. I'm excited about this one, but we're not gonna waste no time. We're gonna get straight to it. First, I gotta take the old stickers off, and we'll see how this little puzzle piece go together. Enjoy this little time lapse. Alright guys, that is a wrap for this video. I am so freaking happy with how this thing turned out. The only thing I got left really is my number plates on the front and back. Besides that, that's a wrap. We got a precision stabilizer and anti-vibe clamp thing coming. And besides that, she's ready to rip. I am blown away by this thing. And I'm just ready to ride at this point. So remember, this video, it'll be dropping next Monday. So you'll have 1 week left for the 10% off on the website for the merch. So if you haven't, your chance, you got until the 31st. So the end of this week coming up to get it. Link will be down in the bio. And MOXC, I'm coming. Shout out to you guys. I'm ready to race. Number 11, you know it, baby. Let's get to it. See you guys next video. Peace.